Europe's transition to sustainable mobility is accelerating, and at the heart of this transformation are electric vehicles. EVs are green, quiet, and more efficient, but their future depends on the evolution of one key component, the lithium-ion battery. Batteries are powering the transition to sustainable mobility and renewable energy. However, today's battery technology still falls short in key areas, namely energy density, safety, cost, and recyclability. Conventional lithium-ion batteries rely on complex materials and energy-intensive processes, which limit their long-term sustainability, performance, and lifespan. SOLiD is an EU-funded project that has invented and produced novel polymer electrolytes specifically designed for high energy density, high safety, and easily recyclable solid-state lithium metal batteries through a circular by design approach. The SOLiD project uses advanced roll-to-roll methods to create safer, eco-friendly, next-generation solid-state batteries. Slot die and dry extrusion apply key materials evenly, while roll-to-roll pulsed laser deposition adds an ultra-thin lithium layer, reducing material use and waste. Special coatings enhance battery performance and protection. These methods lower the need for rare materials like cobalt and lithium, making the batteries more sustainable while enhancing performance. The development of advanced digital quality control, digital twin technology, and AI-driven feedback control enables zero-defect manufacturing. By tackling the core challenges of EV batteries with cutting-edge solid-state technology and greener manufacturing, SOLiD will drastically decrease production emissions of the batteries of the future while reducing dependency on China. SOLiD is more than just a battery innovation project. It's a leap toward a cleaner, more sustainable future for electric mobility in an energy-independent Europe.